Melt a Snowdrift is about a blizzard, an 18-wheeler, and a family disaster. Through the action of the story, you'll see ways they could have avoided getting into trouble in the first place, but once they bumbled into it, then what does she do? Only you can get yourself ready for a blizzard. It's full of ideas about things to do to be more prepared for if you do get stuck in a blizzard, such as, do you have a thermal blanket in your blizzard car kit? Do you even have a blizzard car kit? Get one. In the Ready to Go novels, I share emergency preparedness ideas so you'll be ready for natural and family disasters and be able to help yourselves and others in the middle of chaos. This book can save lives and property if you just read it. Write to me at lisa@lisahatfieldwriter.com. Send me your receipt showing you've purchased To Melt a Snowdrift, and I'll email you a short story called The Ground Shook Like Almond Jello, which is directly related to the novel about the blizzard, believe it or not. Will you write a review of To Melt a Snowdrift on Goodreads or wherever it is you bought your book? To Melt a Snowdrift is a novel about a blizzard, an 18-wheeler, and a family disaster.